Okay, I'm starting a new walk. We'll walk down the river to the National Glass Centre in Sunderland. And the first part of my trip, obviously, coming across the bridge. And I'm going to walk down there. Right, hopefully by then I'll be a bit more quieter. Well, it was noisy down there, up there. Now I'm down here. That was the Wearmouth Bridge, I think, or something like that. And I'm obviously in Sunderland, a starting point. This is only a short walk today. I'm going along the river to the National Glass Centre, which is just around the corner there and a bit further along over this way. Should take me only about half hour, 40 minutes, maybe an hour if I'm slow. Anyway, I'm off. Okay, I've actually walked backwards a bit here because we have here a sort of statue representing the sun. And along the route there's little plaques marking where the planets would be. So I should come across one pretty soon, right there. We'll see how far this goes along until I get to the Glass Centre. Alright, we come up to Mercury here. And you can see down here it says 2,625 metres until the finish. Which I assume is possibly Pluto? I don't know how old these are. It might just be Uranus or Neptune. Anyway. Another thing noteworthy, just walking along, is it's like a mural, or what? Mural? That's probably right, isn't it? Of some ships and a bridge painted on the wall over there, on the other side of the river. But, coming back, we have Venus, and look, it moves as you move. And Venus, I've walked, what, 25 metres basically. You can practically see it over there. But let's keep it. Number 3, 20 metres down, Earth. And see how it orbits, as it were. And how I move. But anyway, along the river we go. The next one, of course, is Mars. I wonder how close that'll be. And we're at Mars, which is only, what, 25, 30 metres away from Earth. I imagine these are the last of the close ones. I imagine Jupiter, probably miles away. Well, not miles, but a while away. And while I'm here, look how calm the river is. It's like still, the reflections in the water come out almost perfect. Got lovely boats on the river. In. Yeah, everyone's still. Alright. Here is the coast to coast signpost. East coast is the way I'm going. And it shows you a bit about it there. Alright, I've come across Jupiter, which is what, 250 odd metres or so from Mars by this scale, which is not a lot, considering the bridge roughly is my starting point. I'm not zoomed out, well I'm zoomed out as far as possible. Alright, so Saturn, I have no idea where that's going to be. Oh no, there's a couple of boys in the river. We'll have to get them out. Alright, we have some sort of what's that? Some sort of tree sculpture thing made out of metal. I'll see what it is when I come up to it. Alright, we have some reliefs on the side. Some crabs, a ship with sails, the bridge, the Penshaw Monument and the worm thing, lamps and worm. That's some sort of Sunderland story. Another boat with a hand. I don't recognise whatever that is. Some more boats and shipping and all that sort of stuff. Capsized boat, perhaps. Some tools. A wrench, some nuts and bolts. Oh look, this tree. Scale 1 to 20. Okay. A mechanical crane from say 100 years ago. And we have here some writing. St. Peter's Riverside Sculpture. Shadows in another light. Okay. And get all that in if you want to read it. And some more people here as well. And then, oh, we've got some more pictures. A windmill. And a bird of some sort. And a lighthouse. And then an anchor, is it, or some sort? And I believe that's, yep, that's all the way around. Now this tool here was supposed to be used to look at some sort of shadows on this. But that don't move. And it's dirty inside, so I can't actually see anything at all. Moving on. We've got some sort of pattern of a crane. Yes, that crane that was on that that thing we just saw. It's, you can't see it very well, but this is sort of like the cabin of the crane. It's got the bit standing, I don't know if it's sticking out this way or that way. I imagine it's probably going out that way because cabin is this way. Anyway, onwards. There's like a nut and bolt up ahead. Let's have a look at them. Alright, we have a stone bolt of some sort, which has something attached to it. Either just to hold there, stop it rolling, or something like that. And then we have a nut. Oh, they've actually got grooves inside of it. And it's made out of metal. Steel, probably. All around the nut. We've come across Saturn, about 250 or so, maybe near 300 or so meters from Jupiter, which doesn't look like good prospects for how far away the next one must be. A stone statue of books of some sort, and a horrible beep in the background. This, by the way, is the University of Sunderland, along the river. Port of Sunderland. Over there. 3 large cranes. And this one is the one that's making all those beep sounds from earlier. It looks like it's on tracks of some sort. Or just giant wheels. Jesus, that must be a long lot to manoeuvre that. Okay, looking out now at the harbour. Going all the way out, just about to sea. But I am actually now at the National Glass Centre. I think I might just walk past it at the moment. Follow the track of those planets, see where that ends up, and I'll come back to this. I've managed to find a map just outside this glass centre. Not quite sure how accurate it is. We got the North Sea, obviously, the boat pier, all the other little piers, and you got stuff down here. I'd imagine I'm round about here somewhere, because you've got a bridge that I came across there. I assume I'm just about here, but it goes down quite a way past Pallium, is it? Something like that. But anyway, I say I'm about here, which means the bridge should not just not be in view. It's not. It's around the corner, down that way. Okay, I'm coming up to now what looks like the ruins of a house made of stone. But I actually know it's a sculpture. It's been sculpted to look like this. Sort of like this doorway. Let me just have a quick look. Dear Peter, the house is empty. So empty without you. Only the fish are glad. And there's the rest of it. So yeah, we have a monument, build, coat hanger with a coat, some stairs going to somewhere, chair has been knocked over, another chair, table with some books and pieces on it. We have a, I'd imagine it's probably a letter cabinet or something like that, old sort of fireplace, another sort of seating area for a Chesterfield or something like that, some more rocks and stones in the side. So we come a bit further in, we have the what would have been a kitchen area. Yep, loads of plates and bowls made out of stone. Oh, and there you are, a stove of some sort, or the oven. But anyway, yes, that's a sculpture of a house. We found Uranus, 700 or so metres from Saturn, which means we're getting there. It doesn't look that daunting anymore, but there's nothing really on this path, apart from some houses, to really look at. So onward. The docklands in the distance there. Not sure how well this is coming up. We have here another sort of stone monument-y sort of thing with stuff that looks like a map made out of stone. I can just about see it, but it doesn't come up well on camera. They have some stone booklets and metal, actually, I imagine. Yes, metal. Around here we have a telescope. Not a real one. It's just a... so I don't feel very safe. Anyway, it's just a monument or statue artwork one. Supposed to signifying the harbour is that way. Yeah, a boat coming in from the sea and fishing by the looks of it. Unless that's just the stuff coming out of the back of this boat. I didn't realise at first, I thought it was just a statue. But no, it's actually a bird. A cormorant, is it? Or something like that. It just, like, why it's got his wings out like that? Come on, oh look, the wings away. Oh, he's off. Been disturbed by the boat that's coming in, no doubt. And this here is the harbour for civilians. for the public, basically, and put all their fishing trawlers or boat things, whatever they use here. Coming up to another monument. There's some stained glass sort of picture. It's like a stone door with some metal oars. Through the door we see another stone door connected to a wall with another sort of stained glass picturesque thing on it. There we are, I'm walking towards this mirror, what, something, relief is it? It's obviously meant to be looked at from a certain angle, so it looks stretched. I'll see if I can get it on the camera. And not quite. Sort of. Anyway, onwards we go. Past the lifeboats this time. Here we are, we have the thing that launches... Wait, what? Launches the lifeboats into the water? I mean, I was imagining it probably lifts them up and drops them in. Because these rails... I don't know, that's too much of a gap. I mean, unless it comes out at something like 80 miles an hour, but then it'll be too fast not to hit all the other boats. Also, why would you put a lifeboat in the middle of basically the end of the harbour? You know, you'd have to navigate through all these boats to get out. I don't understand that at all. I just noticed there's a load of reliefs on this wall down there and continuing up there. I'll point out the ones that are interesting. This one looks like two witches fighting. And it says it there. We'll see what they say as we go on. Wicked Witch Castle. Look at all these floating buoys. Wonder what they're here for. Are they sort of like stopping points for boats? Or is there fish here or something? Yeah, no idea. We're nearly going around the tip now, so we should see the lighthouse pop up into view at any moment. Well now, I'm looking in around here, hopefully roughly around that corner was my starting point. And we're coming out now to the sea. You can't quite see the lighthouse, it's behind this sort of gate here. Broke up here. Probably won't go along it because it seems like such a long journey. Oh, in the distance we've got a Seaburn, I believe. Some sort of Ferris wheel. I wonder if that's still on. Might go on if it was a long way away. We also have these interesting sort of cup, half full cup statues here. I wonder what they mean. Other than probably collecting a load of water. Right, we have here the map, roughly. I am up here, roughly, somewhere, I believe, because I just came around that corner. I got the lighthouse up there, which I probably won't go to. And keep going along. I'll probably walk along here, then I'll probably cut through Roper Park. And we'll see, we might end here. But we probably won't, I probably just won't film any of this. Just streets. And I'll go to the glass centre, which is down there. I'll probably finish in there. Okay, this is odd. I found Pluto. What happened to Neptune? Anyway, this is end of those planets. I might see if I find Neptune on the way home. What on earth is this place? I'm in a bit. It's got graffiti on the walls. Roses by the looks of it. And psychedelic mushrooms in the background. And the clock. Laughing face over there. How strange. Ooh, there's a bridge. And a tunnel. I think I'll go through there. Because I think I'm coming around to where I should be. Ooh, look at that picture. Look how many people visited the beach. That's holy crap. Right, I'm far too early to see the illuminations right now because it's only nearly 12 midday. So yeah, I don't open until 4. These rocks look really amazing, you know. I'm still under that bridge, but coming up to now, it looks like a deep tunnel of some sort for rabbits. Or a little trail going down. I wonder what's up there. It looks like people have just carved straight into the rock. Then parts of it look like they're bricks. This is a strange sort of area. Greeny. Alright, Roker Park we're in now. Obviously none of the stalls are open. A lake or pond in the middle of a river, not river, park. And look at all these food stacks. I'm actually getting hungry now. And sweets. Do I go that way or do I go that way? I'll go this way. It looks brighter. And swans. Right, I'm coming up to now what looks like an Alice in Wonderland sort of theme with a white rabbit and a Cheshire cat and obviously the cardsman and some cups and saucers, teapots. I wonder if there's anyone else to it. I'm going to walk past some sort of giant dome ball structure. No date for the light festival. Some more pirate themed lights and ships. No doubt they look great when the illuminations are on. Right, that was Roker Park. I will no doubt come back again when the illuminations aren't here to do a proper sort of scour of the place. Okay, I'm back at the National Glass Museum. I'm going to end this vlog here. Having walked a distance of, I don't know, 3 miles maybe. Bye bye.